If you're having trouble with Instagram bio profile music not showing up, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first thing first, access your Instagram application. Tap onto your profile and make sure that you are logged into your account. As you can see that I have also added a music here. Now for that you have to tap on edit profile and that option should be visible at the below section that says music. If for some reasons this option is not available to you, then you have to offload your app. Head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below, tap on apps. Here, search for Instagram. If you see application, tap onto your Instagram app. At the section, tap onto storage, clear the cache, and if you remember your credentials like your Instagram username and password, you may also go ahead and clear data. Once done, come back onto App Info page, tap on Force Stop, and then OK. Now lastly, restart your device and launch your application. Get logged into your account and this shall fix your problem.